Alright guys, so I just woke up today and as you can see my face is fucking glowing. I'm glad that this redness yesterday is gone now. This is an update on this one. Well, I guess it's gone now. In the morning and every morning we drink turmeric and ginger shots, so let's just do it. That's it for day 3 and I'll see you guys soon. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed that fast skincare routine. Well, you might be wondering why I wear this shirt now, because I'm gonna go to the gym now and I will try my best to record my gym session. After that, I have a class at 1 p.m. until 6 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna be busy and I will try my best to capture every moment for day 3. You guys can see how my face looks like right now. I didn't pop it and sometimes they always turn like this. Well, whatever, I don't really care that much because guys, please don't let this acne become your identity. Don't let it control you, just live your life. I'm like, guys, please don't let this appearance and this acne become who you are. Let's just go straight to the gym session. Bye bye.